are feeling good. This is Aisha, your computer teacher. How was your vacation? You played a lot. What was the date today? 12th of August 2025. And in the Urdu, we can say 12 अगस्त 2025. In the Arabic or in the Islamic calendar, what is the date today? 17 सफर 1447. And as all we know that today is the Tuesday. And in the Arabic we can say that Tuesday is Yawmul Salasa. What is Yawmul Salasa? Can you look outside and tell me how's the weather today? It's raining. How's the weather? Raining. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 3, handling data. Before this, can I ask some question from you? Okay, who can tell me what is a computer? Good answer. Computer is a device that takes input and give output. Why we study computer? Uzaifa, can you tell why we can study computer? We can study computer for many purposes like for study, like for playing game, for watching movies, etc. Okay, let's start the topic. Who can tell me what is the meaning of handling data? Everyone knows what is the meaning of handling data. Okay, Uzaifa, can you tell what is the meaning of handling data? To handle something in the form of raw material, in the form of unarranged form. Then what is the meaning of data? Exactly. Data is raw fact, numbers, words or pictures that have not been arranged, that have not been organized yet. For example, when we say bring a puzzle, that puzzle is not in organized form. That is data. Like this, 7, 15, 8 are the numbers, while is equal to and addition is the operation. And this is an unorganized form and it is called data. When we add 7 in 8, they will give answer 15. This is an organized form, therefore it is called information. So who knows the answer? What is information? Tahir? Excellent. Information is data that is organized and makes sense to us. For example, 7 add with 8 give answer 15. This is an information. Ali Raza, can you guess your name is example of data or information? It is example of data. If I am saying Ali Raza is 8-year-old and studying grade 2, then it will call data or information. Mariam, you can tell? It is called information. Okay, who can tell how computer collect data? Computer can be collects data through input devices. So what are input devices? Benjamin, can you tell what are input devices? Yes. Devices that are used to send information or enter data into the computer are called input devices. Come with me, students. Students, can you tell me what is the name of this device? Exactly, this is a keyboard. Who can tell me this keyboard is an input device or output device? Exactly, this is input device. And this device, mouse, is an input device or output device? Exactly, this is input device. And which device is this? Exactly, this is monitor. And monitor is an input device or output device? Output device. So you can understand what are input devices? Input devices are those that are used to send information or enter data into the computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse. Okay. Can anyone tell me what are icons? No? Nobody knows? It's okay. I'll tell you. You all see the mobile phones or computers. When you open mobile phone or computer, you see a small images. Like when you open mobile phone, you see WhatsApp in which a small image look like this is represented. This image is icon. What is this image is? Icon. All are understand? What are icons? Yes, icons are small images that shows apps. Okay. Icons are the small images that represent apps or programs on the screen. For example, this icon is for WhatsApp. You all use WhatsApp? Why WhatsApp is used? WhatsApp is used to communicate. Look at the picture. Here are different icons. Some computer programs that are used are calculator and notepad. Who can tell me why we can use calendar? Yes, calendar can be made easy to see date, week or month, while it can also be used to see the holidays. Why calculator app is used? It helps us to solve difficult math problems. For example, when we add 9 and 6, the answer will be 15. That is math problem. And why is notepad app is used? Okay, notepad app can be used to write down ideas and thoughts for a game or a story. It can be used to make lists for remembering things. It can help to practice writing or typing. Important fact is the notepad app is never ending notebook. Who can tell me what is a calendar? Okay, Abdul Rafi, tell me what is a calendar? Great Question is, what is the calendar app used for? The answer will, calendar app can be used to plan an event. It can be used to remember special days. Come with me, I'll tell you how the calendar app can be opened and calendar app used to add events. To a calendar app, first of all click on the start button. Here we can search the calendar app. Press C A L. Look here, the calendar app is here. Click on the calendar app and the calendar app will be open. Here is the calendar app. On the left side it is the month of August and today is 12th of August, and in the calendar you can see 12th is Tuesday. This is a calendar. Here we can say days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. As you all know, 14th of August is an Independence Day. We can say Thursday is the day on 14th of August. And if we want to a calendar of a year, then it will be seen like this. And if we want a calendar of month-wise, then this calendar will be represented like this. And if you want to add event on 14th of August, click on 14th, add an event, like I want to add an event of Independence Day like this. And you want reminder all day or you want a specific time. I want 8 AM to 8:30 रिमाइंडर, और ये रिमाइंडर जो है वो कितने मिनट पहले आना चाहिए? 15 मिनट्स पहले आना चाहिए, 5 मिनट्स पहले आना चाहिए, या 30 मिनट्स बिफोर आना चाहिए? तो आई वॉन्ट रिमाइंडर बिफोर 5 मिनट्स, देन दिस विल बी सेलेक्टेड एंड सेव. Here you can see our event of Independence Day that we put on the calendar. Let's start the reading. Open the book, hurry up. Computer Viz 4th edition, chapter number 3, handling data, page number 19. The first heading is data and information. Who can tell me what is the difference between data and information? Okay. Exactly. Data is the raw facts, number, words, while the information is processed data. Computer collects data through input devices. Mariam, can you tell me an example of input device? Can you tell me an example of input device? Exactly. Mouse is a input device. When the data collects by computer through input devices, it is processed and give information. They handle data through different programs. These programs are shown as small images called icons. Some useful computer programs include calendar, calculator, notepad, and the calendar app makes it easy to see the day, week or month at a glance. It helps users keep track of appointment, meeting and event. As you all know, calendar can be used to see the date, day, week or month. हम कैलेंडर को इसलिए भी यूज़ करते हैं ताकि अगर हम कोई अपॉइंटमेंट ली है अपने किसी डॉक्टर से, तो हम अपना रिमाइंडर लगा लें. अगर हमारी कोई मीटिंग है तो हम उसका रिमाइंडर लगा लें, और अगर कोई हमारा इवेंट है तो उसका रिमाइंडर लगाने के लिए भी हम कैलेंडर को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Calendar can be marked for different occasions such as subject test, sports day, holidays, birthdays, etc. Now open page number 20. A calendar app is used to plan and manage your time. कैलेंडर ऐप इसलिए भी यूज़ होता है ताकि आप किसी भी टाइम को मैनेज कर सको. इट सेंड नोटिफिकेशन टू हेल्प यू रिमेंबर इवेंट्स. ये आपको नोटिफिकेशन सेंड करता है. आपके मोबाइल पे, आपके लैपटॉप्स पे नोटिफिकेशन आ जाता है जब आप किसी भी इवेंट को ऐड करते हो. टू ओपन कैलेंडर ऐप, जैसे मैंने आपको वीडियो में बताया है, किसी भी कैलेंडर ऐप को ओपन करने के लिए सबसे पहले विंडो आइकन पर क्लिक करना होता है. देन सेलेक्ट कैलेंडर, देन क्लिक ऑन द डेट टू क्रिएट ऑन इवेंट्स ऑन दैट ऐप. किसी भी ऐप पर इवेंट्स क्रिएट करने के लिए सबसे पहले उसकी डेट पर क्लिक करें. जैसे हम चाहते हैं हम 14 अगस्त पर इंडिपेंडेंस डे का इवेंट ऐड करें, देन वी क्लिक ऑन 14 अगस्त, then add an event. It looks like this prompt. This is a prompt. A prompt will open that will allow you to enter detail for the event. You can type your name of event and the time that it will happen. आप किसी भी नेम से उस इवेंट को ऐड कर सकते हैं और किसी भी वक्त को. अगर आपने सारा दिन रिमाइंडर लेना है तो आप ऑल डे कर सकते हो. अगर आप किसी स्पेसिफिक टाइम के लिए रिमाइंडर सेलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आप उस स्पेसिफिक टाइम के लिए भी रिमाइंडर को सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और फिर आपको अलार्म जो है वो सेट हो जाएगा.